Can't breathe.
Naturally, frogs like to look after their speckle. Special.
No.
Special.
Yeah, special.
But it's not SH.
No, it's not. You're right. But that's how you spell special.
Skin to do this, they shed its very.
Uh-oh, wait, they what?
They shed it very.
No, look at the legs.
Every so often they wiggle.
No, they
wriggle. And arch their backs to spill it.
Split,
The old skin and roll it off.